Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back. I'm Miss Hollis.
And I'm Miss Smith.
And remember, we're from Wilmer Elementary. So, yesterday we taught you our good morning chant. Let's see if they remember. Everybody stand up. All right. I reach my hands up, and I reach down. I smile to all my friends around. I see you, and you see me. Together, we make a school family. One more time. Are you ready? I reach up. I reach down. I smile to all my friends around. I see you, and you see me. Together, we make a school family. Good job, guys. I'm so excited. Y'all ready to check out our calendar? Let's see.
Yes, let's do it, Miss Hollis.
Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. You know what that reminds me of?
What, Miss Hollis?
Our Days of the Week song.
Oh, okay.
Are you ready?
Yes,
Let's do our Days of the Week song. Days of the Week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Very good. I'm so excited. So we know that there's 7 days out of the week. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We're on Tuesday. We're on the 3rd day of the week, Miss Smith.
Ooh.
Whew. Let's see what else our calendar tells us. So it tells us today is Tuesday. Our month is April. We went through the months of the year yesterday. You want to do them again, Miss Smith?
Yes, let's do it again.
Everybody stand up. We're going to do our month of the year Macarena. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and these are the months of the year. Good job. All right, so we have April. We know that today is Tuesday. Yesterday was 27. So what comes after 27, Miss Smith?
28?
28, very good. Did y'all know it was 28? I thought so. Can you count to 28? Let's see if they can count to 28, Miss Smith. You ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Good job. So we're almost to the end of the month. We only have 2 more days.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's exciting.
It is exciting.
But we're on day 28. So let's review what today is, our total date. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. Can you guys say that with me? Miss Smith, can you say it with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. Very good. So yesterday, Miss Smith read a story, and I did an experiment where we talked about clouds. I said that it was sunshiny yesterday here. Do you remember how it looked outside at your house yesterday? Miss Smith, I think it's time to go to our windows again.
Okay.
So go to your window and see what the weather looks like outside. What's the weather? What's the weather? Can you tell? Can you tell? Is the sun shining? Is the rain falling? Can you tell? Can you tell? Now, when I look outside, it's kind of cloudy today. It still has a little bit of sunshine, but not as much as yesterday. Does it look the same at your house, or does it look different? Remember yesterday we talked about the clouds moving, right? Didn't we, Miss Smith?
We did.
Okay. And you read the story about the cloud that drifted across the sky?
Little cloud.
Little cloud, that's right. Okay. So, at the end of your story, all of the clouds come together and they made one giant cloud, right?
They did.
And then what happened?
And then they rained.
It rained. So, if it rained when all the clouds got together, that's what happened in the story. Is that what happens here, outside when it rains? You're right, it is. Miss Smith, do you have a book about rain?
Yes, ma'am, I do. Let me look over here at the bookshelf. Yes, I have a book about rain. And this book, yesterday, was a book about a little cloud, and it was called fiction because it wasn't real, because clouds can't really talk. But this story is nonfiction.
That means it's real?
It's real, that's right.
Okay, so a fiction story is one that's not real, and a nonfiction story is one that is real.
Correct, Miss Hollis.
Awesome.
This one is Rain, and it's by Aaron Edison. And this is, what do we call this front cover here?
Our front cover,
And what is this here?
our spine,
And
our back cover.
good job, Miss Hollis. Let's go to the story. And, ooh, this is something different. This is called the Table of Contents, and it has different information. It tells you what page it's on. It says, what is rain? And it's on page 4. So let's turn to page 4 and read. It says, what is rain? Rain is water that falls from the clouds. It helps plants grow. It makes puddles.
Oh, I like to play in puddles, Miss Smith. Do you like to play in puddles?
I do too. Rain brings water to living things. Rain fills lakes where fish live. Plants use water in the ground.
Oh, the rain helps lots of things.
Now this is about the water cycle. Rain starts as water on the ground. Water in lakes and oceans evaporates.
Ooh, that's a big word.
It is a big word. Water vapor rises into the sky. In the air, water vapor cools, and it turns into liquid droplets. This is called condensation.
Condensation.
Another big word.
It is.
Droplets stick to tiny particles in the air, and then the clouds form.
So clouds is just water.
Yes. Droplets in the clouds grow and become heavier than air. Rain falls. This process is called precipitation.
That's another big word. This has lots of big words for our friends to learn.
It does, Miss Hollis. Evaporation, condensation, and precipitation are the water cycle's 3 parts. Water evaporates, makes clouds, then falls to the ground, and this pattern happens again and again. Floods and droughts. When too much rain falls, water covers places it normally doesn't. This is called a flood. Floods damage roads, crops, and buildings. Look at all that water in that road.
You know what that reminds me of, Miss Smith?
What's that, Miss Hollis?
Airport Boulevard when it rains a lot.
Yeah. Droughts happen when too little rain falls. Rivers and lakes dry up. The soil becomes hard, and plants and animals die without water. They get really thirsty.
That's sad.
Yes. Too much or too little rain can hurt living things. Animals, people, and plants need just enough rain.
Not too much, not too little, but just right.
That's correct. Now, this is called the glossary, and it tells you what those big words mean. The end.
Thank you, Miss Smith. That was a very informative story. I'm really excited that you read it.
You're
Now,
welcome.
Miss Smith read us the book, and it told us about the water cycle. It said evaporation, and evaporation was when the rain water went up into the sky. And then it condensates. It becomes condensation where it forms the clouds together. And then precipitation was when the clouds got too heavy and then it rained again. And Miss Smith, you said it did that over and over and over again.
Yes, it does.
So, and we also talked about floods and droughts. Floods is when there's too much water. So like if I have a bowl and I fill it up to the top and water runs over the top, that would be like a flood, right?
Mm-hmm.
But if I take my bowl outside and then leave it in the sun and then I don't have any water and I don't put any more in it, that would be like a drought, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we have our evaporation, condensation, precipitation. And that's what our water does, correct, Miss Smith?
It is, Miss Hollis.
Awesome. Did y'all get that? Did y'all understand? Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Can y'all do that with me? Miss Smith, can you do that with me?
I'll try.
Okay. So we have our water on the ground. It evaporates, condensates, and then precipitates. Very good. I like that. We're going to have to do that one more often. Okay. When it rains, we have something that we wear or we use when we go outside. Do you know what it is, Miss Smith? What do we wear when we go outside in the rain?
A raincoat?
A raincoat.
Okay.
What is something we may hold up above our heads?
Is it an umbrella?
It is an umbrella. Do you have a raincoat and an umbrella for when it rains? I thought so. Okay, so I have a cute little poem that I want to share with you. Can you do it with me? Let's stand up.
Okay.
All right, shake it off. Get ready. Okay. I put on my raincoat. I put on my hat. I put up my umbrella just like that. It covers my head and keeps me dry. Good job. So that's how we get prepared to go out into the rain, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can we do it again?
Sure.
Do y'all want to do it again?
I do.
All right, let's go. Ready? I put on my raincoat. I put on my hat. I put up my umbrella just like that. Good job. Okay, now yesterday we made clouds, didn't we?
That was fun, Miss Hollis.
Did y'all try making a cloud at home? Oh, cool. I hope you used your parents' help with those matches. Those are kind of dangerous. Now today, Miss Smith, I want to make rain.
Ooh, really?
Yes, are you excited?
I am excited.
Friends, are you excited? I thought so. Okay, let's go get the table so we can show them how to make rain.
Okay.
All right. So I have the same things. I have my jar, but I have more water in it this time. And then I have just regular shaving cream, and I have blue food coloring. Now, we said that there's rain on in the ground, and then there's waters in the ocean. So this water in our cup, in our jar, is going to be the water on the earth, on the ground, in the oceans, in the lakes. And then we said that it evaporates up, right? Yes. Right, Miss Smith? Mm-hmm. And then it condensates to make a cloud. So I'm going to use my shaving cream to make a cloud. So So I have my cloud. You'll see my cloud? And then when the cloud gets really full, after it condensates together, it's heavy and it precipitates, correct? Right, Miss Smith?
Yes, ma'am.
So then my cloud gets full.
And it gets dark when it gets full.
And it gets dark. And you'll see the rain, how it falls down out of the cloud. It's really cool, isn't it? Yeah, I thought so too. So that's how you can make it rain. You can use, like I said yesterday, any kind of big glass jar, any kind of shaving cream, and I use blue food coloring. But you can use any kind of food coloring. So, Miss Smith, I think it's time for one more finger play that we did yesterday.
Okay.
All right. Can y'all get out your 5 weathermen? All right, you got your gate? 5 little weathermen sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There's a storm in the air." The third one said, "Let's run inside." The fourth one said, "Wait! The sun's coming out." The fifth one said, "That's what weather's all about." Ooh, went the wind and up flew their kite. The 5 little weathermen chased it out of sight. Good job, guys. I hope you have a great day. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Enjoy making your rain. Bye, guys.